So we've been back in Canberra for a couple of weeks now because I got COVID and we've been quarantining, and we've been meaning to clean out the van, but it's been a bit too cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Today's the day. Can't put it off any longer.
Let's do it.
Let's get going.
This is the before. We're gonna empty out all the drawers, clean all of that. Same with the fridge. Gonna go under the mattress and figure out everything under there. Got a few holes to patch up from when we had the PlayStation. And yeah, maybe add a touch of paint. Let's do it.
So much close home.
Look at that! Don't worry about it.
Look at all that stuff.
We have no stuff.
We got
This
too
is
much
all
stuff.
we have.
Too much stuff.
Oh, I'm struggling with this one. Man, please have some help. Oh, thanks. Do we want to see?
That's not as bad as the Chuck's was.
Oh gosh, making progress. Very nice. This is the best the cab has looked in such a long time. This is basically everything we have in the van with us. So we've got our camping chairs and hats, got a whole bunch of shoes, skateboard, tennis rackets, yoga mats, a whole bunch of stuff back there that was just laying on the bed. I'm not sure what's actually in that. Got our rope ladder to get up onto the roof, Rowan's rain jacket, our drone gear, hose, and just a whole bunch of things. We've got more camera gear here. Cosmo's bed, chargers and ropes to connect to power. That one's for Rowan's telescope. A whole bunch of clothes over here. That's all Rowan's clothes. In these bags we just have some kitchen things. This is all the kitchen stuff, and we do have more inside as well. You get the gist of it. Things that you need while you're traveling, just like sunscreen, bug spray, all the things. We have our mattress that was cut for us, and we have our fridge. That's just with a whole bunch of things that we've decided to keep but not to bring on the trip. And these are all of our shot glasses that we've collected on our travels so far, which will be cool to see at the end. And that's all of our bedding. And yeah, so the lives of 2 adults fits in this tiny little space. How crazy. We also cleaned out our water tub, something we've been needing to do for a very long time. Quick intermission for some lunch. Thank you, chef, once again.
No worries.
3 days later.
All the walls have been painted and we've put some doonas in for winter. We've got a big doona, our electric blanket, and this huge doona. And this is the connection that Rowan has used for the electric blanket. If you want to connect an electric blanket to the van, use this thing. We're staying in Canberra for a couple more weeks, so we won't actually be sleeping in the van. So we'll put all of our belongings back in here when we are ready to head off, and yeah, we'll obviously bring you guys along with us. Thanks for watching. Bye!